What's up guys? Welcome back. Today in the tutorial lab, I am going to show you how to delete your search activity from Google. When you use Google sites, apps and services, some of your activity is saved in your Google account. You can see and delete this activity in My Activity. And you can stop saving most activity at any time. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please do subscribe. Let's start our today's topic. Delete your activity manually. Delete all activity. On your Android phone or tablet, open your device's setting app. Then go to Google. From here, manage your Google account. At the top, tap Data and Personalization. Under Activity and Timeline, tap My Activity. To the right of the search bar, tap More, the three-dot button. Now tap Delete Activity by. Below Delete Activity, tap All Time. Tap Delete. Your all activity has been deleted. How to delete individual activity items? For example, this could include a search you did on Google or website you visited on Chrome. On your Android phone or tablet, open your device's setting app. Then go to Google. Then tap on Manage your Google account. At the top, tap Data and Personalization. Under Activity and Timeline, tap My Activity. You can find an item a few different ways, including Browse by Day. To the right of the search bar, tap More. Then tap Item View. Then search or use filter. On the item you want to delete, tap More. Then tap Delete. Your individual activity will be deleted. How to delete your activity automatically? You can automatically delete some of the activity in your Google account. On your Android phone or tablet, open your device's setting app. Then tap on Google. Manage an Google account. At the top, Data and Personalization. Under Activity Control, tap Web and App Activity. Then tap Manage Activity. At the top right, tap More. Then tap Keep Activity For. Tap the option for how long you want to keep your activity. Then tap Next. Then confirm to save your choice. Your preference has been saved. Tap Got It. How to stop saving activity? You can control most of the information that's displayed in My Activity. On your Android phone or tablet, open your device's setting app. Then tap on Google. Manage your Google account. At the top, tap Data and Personalization. Under Activity Controls, tap Manage Your Activity. Tap Manage Your Activity Controls. Turn off the activity you don't want to save. That was our today's video. Hope you enjoyed this and learned something from it. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and get connected with the Tutorial Lab. Thanks for watching.